YouTube, it's your girl Stephanie coming to you today with an exciting unboxing video. I had the privilege of doing a collab with Jord watches. I'm super excited about it. I see their watches all over the internet, quote unquote, quote unquote. They have really cool watches. Most of them are made out of wood and different textures and tones and types. But like I said, I'm here to do this unboxing and I wanted you to see what I picked out. I'm so lucky to be sent this watch. I'm just so excited. Oh my god. But you have to watch this video to the end because I have some special things coming to you, but you gotta watch to the end. So just listen and listen to me. Come on, you guys. To the end. Don't go anywhere. Get some coffee. Pause. Go get some coffee. Go get some wine. I'll be here waiting for you. You good? Okay. So here is how it comes. I did open the tape a little bit because I didn't want to struggle on camera. And I have my trusty notes for the ending part. I'm going to turn that over in case you try to zoom in and be sneaky. So you open it like this. Oh, wow. It comes in a wooden case. That is so cool. And what else comes in here? I guess we can go look at the watch first. Let's see. The top comes off. I'm gonna put that down there for a second. The top comes off and it has the J on there for Jord watches, and it's magnetic because it's so sticking to this table. This is the watch that I got. It is the, I'm trying to remember what the name of the watch is that I got. I'm gonna put the link for my watch in the description box for you guys, but I know it's the smoke color, and that is the watch, and it comes on a burlap cushion. And it's a really dark brown one. I like that color because I feel like it blends in with a lot of things that I have already. And it's just really pretty. And it has rose gold detail, which I'm super excited for. Look at that. In order to get the watch properly sized, they send you a link with, either they send you a link or either you can go on the site. And then there's a piece of paper that prints out. And what happens is you print it out and it has a credit card outline on it. And that being said, once you print it out, you know it's the right size, the paper, if an average standard credit card fits in that particular slot or that outline. So then you take the, what you call it, the, why am I being lost for words? Oh my God. You take the ruler off, you cut it, and then you wrap it around your wrist. You don't want it too tight. You don't want it too loose. And that's how they gauge your size. But this is really cute. It has this little medallion on here. Let's see. So it opens up like a standard open cased watch. Yep, and it's a perfect fit. I don't like my watches to be really tight. I like them to kind of drape. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really pretty, but like I said, I really love this watch. It is so gorgeous. It's really lightweight as well. As you can see, it's a little bit of nothing when it comes to the watch. It won't be extra on your hand. It moves very fluidly. And like I said, the rose gold detail is really gorgeous. So let's see what else comes in here. Let's see, it has an information card about the hashtags, hashtag Jord watch. And it says share your watches on social media. Use the hashtag Jord watch for a chance to win, to be featured on its feeds and its website. So it does have that. It does have an extra link. And the links, I guess you call it the little screw that attaches the link onto your watch. It has the information packet, and this is the Frankie series. I'm sorry, the Frankie series has that. So add that, And it has a cloth for you to clean the watch, which is nice. I like the way the box is constructed. It has the ventilation in there so it does not um, dry out the watch or warp the watch, which is awesome. Let's see what else is in here. We have another cloth, a microfiber cloth for you to clean your watch with. That is really cool. It's in a gray color. And then it has a Jord preserve, especially formulated to care and condition the wood, the conditioning of the Jord wood watch. And it's like a little pin for you to preserve the watch. So like I said, I think this is really, really nice. I just am in love with it. Like, oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I'm going to put it on right now, actually, because I feel like I need to be wearing this right now. I'm not going to take this off until after. But you can always use this and attach it to a bracelet. Oh, I'm going to take the film off too. Let's see. Can I get the film off? Yep, I'm gonna put it on. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so sleek and cool. People think of wooden watches as something that you would, you know, that would conflict with your wardrobe. I'm sorry it's upside down, but obviously that's how I will have to see time. But it's just something that just blends in. It's very sleek and pretty. But if you like a lighter wood and if your wardrobe is like really casual and down to earth, like, come on, you can get all types of wood tones. They even have a zebra wood that is really pretty. But like I said, this is a lovely, lovely watch, and I'm so excited. So that being said, let me go to my little cheat sheet because you did wait for the end, like a good subscriber. What I have going on is down in the description box. You're gonna see some links. One of them is gonna be the link to my watch that I picked out. I love this watch, like I said, really pretty, really sleek, just freaking gorgeous. Then you're gonna see a link for the giveaway. The giveaway is for $100 credit towards any purchase on the site. Now that giveaway, you have to be really, really, really strategic in when you're entering it because it ends February 11th, 2008 at 11:59 p.m. So you really have to get that in there. What else do we have on? You can get 10% off of any purchase from now until February 25th, 2018. Now, like I said, I'll put all this in the description box below. So if you need something now, Valentine's Day is coming up. A watch for your man is like something that could be on his list. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, they engrave, or you can get it engraved, but I'm pretty sure they engrave. But that being said, you can go ahead and make your purchase now. You get 10% off of your purchase, and that'll be using the link that's in the description box as well. So I mean, like, how cool is that? But remember, the giveaway ends February 11th, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. So enter that. That's $100 off of a watch, yo. Like, seriously, you need to enter that giveaway because that can be like a Valentine's Day present. The biggest Valentine's Day present discount ever. Or if you have an anniversary coming up or a birthday. They're gender neutral. Women can wear the watches, men can wear the watches. They're just gorgeous. Like, come on, you guys. Look. All right, so remember, go into the description box, use those links. Let me know what you think about the watch. I really, really love it. I love big face watches. I just always love a big face watch. And the rose gold is gorgeous. My mother gave me some pretty rose gold jewelry for Christmas, and I'm going to definitely wear that to complement this watch. Yep, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to head over my blog. It'll most likely to have some links over there for you just as well. And I'll do some more close-up pictures of this watch because it's, like I said, absolutely gorgeous. I have those pictures and a blog post up, and then you can have those links there as well. That way you'll have several places. And I'll also have a link in my Instagram. So remember, the blog is www.luxpluslife.com, and on Instagram my handle is @luxpluslife_blog, and just go there and follow me, and you can also enter in. And we have a couple other things going on over there on Instagram too, so just follow me. me and hang around and, you know, be nosy because I might have some other things up my sleeve. You know what I mean? But that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for visiting my channel and looking at my watch, hunty. You don't need no man to spoil you. Spoil yourself, honey. Have a good one. Talk later. Bye.